Struggling with how to fix Elgato Camlink 4K delay? Whether you're streaming live or recording quality content, experiencing delay issues can be frustrating. The Elgato Camlink 4K is a fantastic tool for converting your DSLR camcorder or action cam into a webcam, but sometimes latency issues can disrupt its performance. In this guide, we'll explore effective solutions to help you minimize delay and ensure your setup runs smoothly. Step 1. Update your drivers and software. The first step in fixing any technical glitch is ensuring everything is up to date. Check if there's an update available for your Elgato Camlink 4K. Visit the Elgato official website to download the latest drivers and software updates. Also, ensure that your video conferencing or streaming application is updated along with your operating system. Working with the latest versions can often iron out bugs and improve device compatibility. Step 2. Optimize USB port connections. Incorrect USB connections can be a significant source of delay. Make sure your Elgato Camlink 4K is connected to a USB 3.0 port, as this connection type has a faster data transfer rate than USB 2.0. Avoid using USB hubs whenever possible, as these can introduce additional latency. If your computer lacks extra USB 3.0 ports, consider rearranging your connections to ensure the Camlink has direct access to your computer's USB. Step 3. Adjust resolution and frame rate. Sometimes mismatched resolution and frame rate settings between your camera and streaming software can cause delays. Verify that both are set to a compatible resolution and frame rate. Lowering the camera's resolution or frame rate can reduce the strain on your system, thus minimizing latency. Test different configurations until you find an optimal balance between quality and performance. Step 4. Optimize computer performance. Maximizing your computer's performance can also help reduce delays. Close unnecessary background applications and ensure your system resources are dedicated to streaming. Upgrading your RAM or using a solid-state drive or an SSD may also enhance overall performance, especially if you multitask during streaming. If possible, overclock your CPU cautiously to increase processing speeds, but remember to keep an eye on temperatures to avoid overheating. Step 5. Explore OBS settings. If you're using OBS Studio for streaming, optimizing its settings can significantly impact your Camlink 4K performance. Navigate to the advanced settings and adjust the buffering settings to reduce latency. Experiment with different video capture settings, such as lowering the resolution or tweaking the video bitrate to find a configuration that minimizes delay without sacrificing too much quality. Fixing an Elgato Camlink 4K delay requires a bit of troubleshooting, but following these steps can help you achieve seamless streaming and recording. Ensure your software is updated, optimize USB connections, adjust camera settings, and enhance your computer's performance to combat latency issues effectively. By dedicating a bit of time and effort to addressing these key areas, you can enjoy a more responsive and reliable setup. Remember, the right adjustments can make a world of difference in your streaming experience. Happy broadcasting.